I came to California devoted to the notion of terroir and a desire to work with a clean slate to forge a unique world-class wine in Napa Valley, hence the name Carte Blanche. The goal and the dream was to produce a wine that could compete with the very best of what Napa could foster. From a very young age, wine was always a part of the picture. My roots started in Bordeaux and Chateau Haut-Brion, but it was much more than just a name. Every memorable event growing up involved family, and it involved our family wine. When I think about old world roots, I think about art form, hundreds of years of tradition. I think about the Romans planting some of these vines in the 1400s. The core of my wine producing philosophy is to respect the terroir in each wine and to honor what the earth has given us. I wanted to create a wine that would be on your table for that special event with your family and friends. My objective has always been to create something that is beyond memorable, something that you have to tell your friends about. It's beyond drinking a bottle of wine, it's about having an experience. This all became possible in Napa. When I think about the perfect bottle of wine, I think balance, structure, longevity, the texture, and the wonderful experience it evokes. I think about this wine setting the tone for the rest of the night, the week. I am proud to say that we are 15 years into this project. It is always evolving, always has its challenges, and it has been an amazing journey. We're in our groove, bona fide, year after year of stellar wine. It never gets easier, but I love chasing after making the perfect bottle.